The DSK Group is a stellar example of the spectacular capability of a Maharashtrian, the Himalayan heights he can scale when he steps into the world of business. DSK, who sold berries and vegetables at the tender age of 8, showed his flair for business at 20 by launching his first venture, Telesmell. This business idea was a truly pioneering one anywhere in the world, to give users a pleasant aroma as they spoke on the phone. He did this by placing an antiseptic perfume strip inside the telephone. He took up various contracts from house painting and furniture to plumbing and even waterproofing. And a thought took shape in his mind. Why not build homes? This brought him into housing and development. His homes, designed with care, stood everywhere. In Pune, Mumbai, Nashik, Chennai, Coimbatore, Bangalore, and even in the United States of America. But building homes wasn't the horizon of his dream. His ambition went way beyond. And now in Pune, he is about to give shape to DSK Dream City. Today, the sectors that provide the largest employment are infrastructure and automobile. So, DSK's next step was into the automobile sector. The privilege of being India's first dealer principal for Toyota goes to DSK, and his next generation is taking the business towards greater success. Shirish has not only brought the Korean bike Hyosung into India, but also began production in Maharashtra. He also brought the Italian superbike Benelli into India, and today the brand DSK Benelli is roaring and soaring not just in India, but also on the international racetracks. Our Prime Minister appealed to the world, "Make in India." He has turned this slogan into reality. DSK firmly believes that the British education system has been training Indians to become servants. DSK wanted to change this. His wife Hemanti Kulkarni made this wish come true. She introduced a 5-year master's degree course from France right here in Pune. It teaches animation, game designing, industrial and product designing, and students are achieving spectacular success on the international scale. Quality education is the right of every Indian. With this ideology, Mrs. Hemanti started an ICSC board DSK school in Pune, where rural children too are being trained to match international standards of learning. Under the guidance of Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar, DSK invented and developed Mobilis, a device that functions on solar power. It is a multi-purpose device that also helps in reducing the weight of school bags of little children. Our Prime Minister has recently announced the Jan Dhan scheme. Our Mobilis has been doing this for 5 years. Mobilis has been doing a laudable job for farmers, Bachat Gat and small and large-scale enterprises, and has provided a source of earning to more than 3,000 individuals. DSK comes from a family of farmers. So, he developed Milkotronics, an advanced robotic system for the farming populace. This robot travels from one village to another to check the water and fat content in milk. He also evaluates its cost. If the farmer owes any money, he deducts that amount and pays the balance to the farmer via bank transfer on the spot. The animation series Sabrina, a DSK Entertainment production, is drawing great TRP in Hollywood. Sabrina has made a stunning impact by grabbing the Emmy Awards, the TV equivalent of the Oscar. By starting Green Ice Games, his daughter-in-law Tanvi has stepped into the gigantic market of game designing. DSK Travel Corporation is going all over the globe in the world of tourism. Shirish formed the football club DSK Shivajians and beckoned the sporting talent of the young generation. To improve their game, he invited the famous Liverpool club from England to Pune, and currently they are training our boys in the skills of international football. DSK Power, a 100 megawatt solar project, is being erected in Neemuch, Madhya Pradesh. DSK believes that he owes his success to society, has undertaken various social initiatives for the betterment of society. The massive amount of work done by DSK Group was bound to be acknowledged on the national and international scale, and the accolades that are showered are only natural. The DSK Group toils for motives beyond financial gains to attain outstanding heights in the business sector for the sake of our youth, our society, and our nation.
A life lived in concert and harmony with nature, in peace and tranquility. A life full of promise for the present and for the future. Dream City. A community that is self-contained and sustainable, and that fosters a sense of pride and fondness for residents and visitors alike. Welcome to your dream. Welcome to Dream City.
Shot. Has he got enough on this? Oh, yes, he has. Let's go away into the second tier.
116 from 73 balls.
Oh, he's lofted him straight. That's a fabulous looking stroke, and it's six.
For those who dream of sporting glory, or simply of a game well played, Dream City provides a stage on which to excel. All of the sporting programs are run by internationally renowned operators, with Liverpool FC providing endorsement and oversight of the Football Academy. A gathering place for family, friends and neighbours, the magnificent Marine Club commands sweeping views of the canal and lagoon. A dancing fountain provides the centrepiece to a tranquil lagoon, which is edged by a scenic promenade. A five-star hotel and serviced apartments, premium office tower and residential tower nestle unobtrusively along its banks. A shopping centre houses a cinema, art galleries, arts and crafts shops and boutiques, while also offering a choice of dining experiences in beautiful landscaped gardens. Dream City's canals are its arteries, meandering through the landscape, connecting places and people in the coolest possible way, the waterway. Walkways, cycleways, jogging paths, trams and water taxis connect Dream City's neighbourhoods, freeing residents from the constraints of the automobile. At the heart of the community lies its great green lung. A grand botanical garden on an island oasis bursting with lush green vegetation and the colours of life. An architectural wonder, the club houses restaurants, a state-of-the-art fitness centre, boardroom, party halls and a day spa, and will offer residents, members and their guests a variety of pleasures. Dream City, where life is for living, with nothing in its way. A community to come home to, leaving the outside world behind. No life is well lived if lived in isolation. It is the people we meet who make us the people we are. The art and ideas we share, the songs and the laughter. This is what completes us. Planned with your lifestyle and interests in mind, and with no detail overlooked. Amenities lie within easy reach, and provide all of life's daily essentials. The Dream City Centre also encompasses the City Technology Park, providing a matchless environment for the world of business and commerce, and enhancing the technology park's already enviable reputation as a destination for the future IT elite. When we choose a place to live, the future of the younger generation is always on the top of the list of priorities. And Dream City cares for the academic needs of its young residents from kindergarten through advanced education and beyond. At a higher level, Dream City is already home to the well-established DSK International Campus, a joint venture between DSK and France's internationally renowned Supinfocom Group. This is a place for living, for working, for learning and play. This is a place of tranquility, an oasis of safety and security. This is a community created without equal. This is Dream City.
मित्रांनो, मगातपासून तुम्ही ड्रीम सिटीचे वॉक थ्रू बघतायत, ॲनिमेटेड फिल्म बघतायत, कल्पनेतली फिल्म नाही बघत आहेत, जसं घडणार आहे ते दाखवण्याचा आम्ही प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. पण सत्याहूनही प्रत्यक्षात अतिशय सुंदर अशी ड्रीम सिटी इथे तयार होणार आहे की जिथे स्पोर्ट्स तुम्हाला मी दाखवला आहे. अरे माझ्या भारताचा झेंडा ऑलिम्पिकला असा तिरंगा फडकणार आहे, झळकणार आहे, माझ्या तरुणांना ऑलिम्पिकची पदकं मिळणार आहे. एज्युकेशनमध्ये, त्या ड्रीम सिटीतल्या एज्युकेशनमध्ये तुम्हाला मी जगातलं बेस्ट एज्युकेशन, प्रॅक्टिकल एज्युकेशन जे आमच्या फ्रेंच स्कूलने सिद्ध केलं आहे आणि 2 अजून इंग्लंडमधनं शिक्षण आणतं, 2 अजून वेगळ्या शाळा तयार करतात त्याही दाखवल्या. याच्याशिवाय लाईफस्टाईल दाखवलं. रे माणसाला काय पाहिजे. ड्रीम सिटीच्या सुंदर बसमधनं तुम्ही या शहरात आला आणि शहरामध्ये फिरायला तुम्हाला मी ट्राम दिली. ट्राम तुमच्या घरापाशी जाते. ट्रामचं कंटाळा तर पाण्यातल्या त्या बोटीत बसतात, होडीत बसतात. कॅनडाहून आणली तुम्हाला. जशी ट्राम हाँगकाँगहून आणली तशी ही बोट कॅनडाहून आणली. त्या बोटीतनं तुम्ही तुमच्या घरात जाता, चक्क बिल्डिंगमध्ये ती बोट जाते. कंटाळा आला तर सायकली काढताय रे. कुठेही त्याला कुलूप लावायची गरज नाही. DSKचं स्मार्ट कार्ड टाकलं, सायकल काढली, सायकलला टांग मारली, नदीच्या कडेने 5-6 किलोमीटरचा राऊंड घेतला, मस्त एक्सरसाइज झाला किंवा मस्त जॉगिंग केलं. अरे त्या एक्सरसाइज करता करता तुम्ही त्या वॉकथ्रूमध्ये पाहिलं असेल की सायकलवर तुम्ही असं छान राऊंड मारताय, पलीकडे बोटीतनं माणसं चाललेत, तुमची बायको बोटीतनं तुम्हाला हात करतोय. मैत्रीण म्हणलं असतं पण नको, पब्लिक थ्रू म्हणतोय. आणि मस्तपैकी पलीकडे एक छान असे फुलांचे ताटवे आहेत, कोणीतरी जॉगिंग करतं आहे आणि एक आजीबाई आपल्या नातवाला त्या बाबा गाडीतनं, मला बाबा गाडी शब्द आवडतं, तुम्ही त्याला ट्राम का काय म्हणतात ते मला माहीत नाही, तो तिथनं जातो आहे. अशा या ड्रीम सिटीमध्ये मॉल, थिएटर, महाबळेश्वरसारखा बाजार, फुलांच्या बागा, 14-14 गार्डन, पाणी, उंच उडणारे, तुषार उडवणारे आणि छानपैकी सुरात जसं गाणं गातं तसं सुरात तालात नाचणारे ते फाउंटन, सगळं तुम्ही इथं पाहिलं. मग या ड्रीम सिटीचं हे निळं पाणी, हे शुद्ध पाणी राहणार का? हे मेंटेन कोण करणार? काही जोक आहे का? DS कुलकर्णी एवढं मोठं तुम्ही भव्य स्वप्न दाखवताय, मेंटेन कोण करणार? येस माझ्या मित्रांनो, हा DSK मेंटेन करणार. माझ्या 3 जनरेशन इथे हजर आहेत, 3 जनरेशन त्या मेंटेन करणार. आज मी तुम्हाला प्रॉमिस देतो की या ड्रीम सिटीची रचनाच अशी केलेली आहे की इथे कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटी आणि त्या सभासदाची भांडणं आणि मग त्यांच्या निवडणुका असं न करता, अरे सबंध DSK ग्रुप यावत चंद्र दिवा करत, जोपर्यंत सूर्यचंद्र या पृथ्वीवर आहे तोपर्यंत तुमची सेवा करत राहणार. आणि मग अरे रात्री 2 वाजता आला आणि तुम्हाला जर बाहेरनं परदेशातनं आला, कशाला बहिणींना स्वयंपाक करायला सांगता? हेल्पलाईनचं बटन दाबा, जेवण तुमच्यासमोर हजर. पहाटे 3ला डॉक्टर हवाय, छट चुकीचं बोललो मी, लागेल कसा डॉक्टर? ड्रीम सिटीचं वातावरण असेल डॉक्टर लागणारच नाही तुम्हाला, पण चुकून गंमत म्हणून हवा असेल, हजर आहे. हॉस्पिटलपासून सगळ्या सर्व्हिसेस आहेत. एखादं राजासारखं तुम्ही राहताय, राजासारखं म्हणू पण राजवाडा नाही किंवा 7 स्टार हॉटेल नाही. अरे आपलं घर असताना ते राजवाड्यासारखं उग्र दर्प येणारं असूही शकत नाही आणि 7 स्टार हॉटेलसारखं ज्याला घरपणच नसतं असं घरी असू शकत नाही. पण त्याच्या पलीकडचं सुख या ड्रीम सिटीमध्ये असणार आहे. आणि मगातपासून तुम्ही जे ड्रीम सिटीचे वॉक थ्रू बघतायत ना, त्याच्यापेक्षा खूप सुंदर सत्याच्या पलीकडचं मी तुम्हाला देणार आहे आणि ते जन्मभर मेंटेन करणार आहोत. एवढंच मी तुम्हाला या प्रसंगी शब्द देतो. धन्यवाद. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.